Hi, Jeff here with InspectorPrime. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and manage your general contacts directory within the InspectorPrime Office database. So the general contacts directory is for all of those contacts that might not fit neatly into the other directories that we have in the CRM. So it's a pretty straightforward process, very similar to all the other directories, but nonetheless, I'm going to show you how to do that. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here we find ourselves in the InspectorPrime Office database. And to get to our CRM, we click on CRM, go all the way down to the bottom to the General Contacts directory. So General Contacts is very similar to all of the other directories that we've walked through. You'll just notice that the tags here are a little bit different. So basically you can create those tags to fit whatever description you want to help you categorize folks that you interact with. It's really up to your imagination and your needs for your business. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of these records. We'll look at Melanie Hughes. We are categorized as a drone operator. The basic profile information here. Again, reminder that if you put URLs into this website field, it automatically activates the button at the top here, so you can quickly go visit somebody's website if you want to. Just like some of the other directories, we have referral history that we can pull in. So Melanie has referred about $1,200 worth of referrals to our business. And then again, you can maintain awareness of those actual records within the Airtable database for the referral. And again, you can add office records if Melanie calls in or takes any other administrative action that falls outside of the traditional job and service management. So with that, we're going to go ahead and exit out of here and walk through the process of adding a new general contact. So we'll go ahead. You'll see this form is extremely similar to all of the other forms that we walked through for the directories. So if you already know how to do this, please feel free to punch it in. But nonetheless, I'll walk through it. We will do Henry Jones, email, phone number, the website, oops, there we go. Do a random address here. We will list him as active, but you can select active or inactive here. And let's make Henry an equipment supplier. Okay, now that record is created, let's go down and find Henry right here. We'll open up the record and you'll see pretty much the exact same info that we just showed for Melanie Hughes, that drone operator. So pretty straightforward process. Hope this helps you set up your database, and thank you for tuning in and for being an InspectorPrime customer. I will see you on the next video. Thanks.